Hello everyone, this is the project named as Bluetooth Controller Home Appliances done by Vichya College final year students of Department of Electronics by PME batch. The project is successfully guided by our lecturers Dr. Sanjeev sir and Dr. Lakshmi Narayan sir. The students who worked to complete this project are Chandana N, Chandrika D. Mali, Deepika M and Shakti K.
Here we have three portions, which includes a Bluetooth module HC05, from which the data is given to 8051 microcontroller, and then UNL 2003. We have constructed 4 rooms here called room 1, room 2, kitchen and hall. The electronic appliances of our home can be controlled from anywhere inside the house just using a smartphone. In this project, we have used wireless Bluetooth technology to control the home electronic appliances through an Android phone. Bluetooth has a range of 10 to 15 meters, so we have developed a project which can be used to control home appliances such as TV, room, fan, etc. Here we have used 8051 microcontroller with Bluetooth module which can wirelessly receive the data sent from Android phone. The Bluetooth module HC05 consists of Bluetooth serial interface module and an adapter, so that with the help of Bluetooth module we can use the Android phone to connect to the microcontroller which can turn on and off the home appliances according to convenience of the person.
Now I will explain the working of the project. We have installed the Bluetooth controller app in Android phone. By this app, we can connect Bluetooth module HC05 where the inputs are set. The data is received by 8051 microcontroller.
First time in the kai tegi.
Now I will show the working of the project.
Now we are giving the power supply and the Bluetooth module is HC05 is connected to the Android mobile. Here it has been connected now, HC05. Here we have set the buttons according to our requirements. Now we'll on all the lights of the room. All off. Now I'll on the light of room 1. Now we'll on the light of room 1. Light of room 1 has been on. Now we'll off this light. Next, now we'll on the light of room 2. We'll off the light. Then we'll on the light of kitchen. Now we'll off the light. And then we'll on the light of hall. We'll off the light. Now we'll on the light of all rooms. We'll off the light. So this is our project. This project entitled Bluetooth controlled home appliances is a very useful project which can be used to control various home appliances. We can control devices in the home, thus it gives ease to access. Since we use Bluetooth from an Android phone, it is used as a remote control to operate various home appliances. It is faster and efficient to operate. There is no need to carry separate remote other than the phone or any other bulky controlling unit. The components used in the project is minimum and the project is cost effective.
Finally, we thank our lecturers who supported us to complete our project. Hope you all like this project. Thank you.